A good TV mount in 2026 isn't just about hanging your screen. It's about viewing comfort, safety, and not losing your sanity during installation. These are the mounts people actually like using, based on real setups and real living rooms. This Sanus mount is in a completely different category. It's built for massive TVs. People mounting 85-inch, 98-inch, or even 100-plus-inch displays say this is one of the few mounts that genuinely feels up to the task. The steel construction is heavy-duty, and once installed, it feels rock-solid. Despite its size rating, users appreciate how refined it feels. The tilt mechanism is smooth, and the mount allows for easy access behind the TV when needed. Installers and home theater enthusiasts often recommend this model because it doesn't flex or sag over time. If you've invested in a huge TV, this mount feels like the proper way to support it safely. ECHOGEAR's SwiftStud mount is often described as installer-friendly, even by people mounting a TV for the first time. The standout feature is the single stud installation with a built-in wall template, which removes a lot of guesswork. Real users say this saves time and stress, especially in apartments or homes where stud placement is limited. Once installed, the motion feels smooth and controlled. Swiveling the TV to different angles doesn't feel jerky or loose, and the tilt adjustment helps with glare from windows. Cable management is another big plus. People like how clean the setup looks once everything is tucked away. If you want flexibility without a complicated install, this mount hits a nice balance. Perlesmith mounts are popular because they offer a lot of movement without the premium price tag. Users consistently mention how versatile this mount feels. Swivel, tilt, and extension all work smoothly, making it easy to adjust viewing angles for different seating positions. The articulating arms feel strong and stable, even when fully extended. Many people mount this in bedrooms, living rooms, or even kitchens, where flexibility really matters. It supports a wide range of visa patterns and TV types, which makes it a safe pick if you're not 100% sure about compatibility. For everyday households that want full motion without overthinking it, this one is a reliable choice. Mounting Dream has built a reputation for making mounts that feel solid without being overcomplicated, and the MD2268LK proves it. People who've installed this one often say the instructions are clear and the hardware feels sturdy right out of the box. The tilt function is smooth and especially useful if your TV is mounted slightly higher than eye level. No more neck strain during long movie nights. Users really like how close it sits to the wall while still allowing enough tilt to reduce glare. It feels secure, which matters a lot with larger TVs. The included MD2463 smaller full motion mount is a nice bonus for offices or secondary monitors. Overall, this combo is popular with homeowners who want reliability, clean looks, and an install that doesn't turn into a weekend-long project. The Amazon Basics mount is exactly what many people want. Simple, affordable, and dependable. Real users often say it's surprisingly sturdy for the price. It supports swivel and tilt adjustments smoothly, and once tightened properly, it holds TVs securely without drift. Installation is straightforward, and the mount includes all the hardware most people need. It's a common pick for renters, first-time TV mounters, or secondary rooms like bedrooms and offices. While it doesn't feel as premium as Sanus or ECHOGEAR, it gets the job done and doesn't overcomplicate things, which is exactly why people keep buying it. The best TV mount is the one that fits your space, your TV size, and your comfort needs. Whether you want full motion or a clean tilt setup, these options make mounting easier and safer. Product links are in the description.